Just making a quick video on what I'm going to be doing to the car tomorrow. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe to this channel for more content. Now, as you know, I got a few more parts coming in this week. So let's address the front of the car real quick. You see, the spoiler in the front now looks good, but I'm going to be doing something else to the front. You'll find out in the morning, but it's going to change the look of it dramatically. It should look pretty good. So let's go to the back. The back end, that diffuser is going to be gone in the morning. I just sold it. A guy's going to pick it up in the morning, so this is coming off. But something else is going on. But you'll have to wait till tomorrow to find out. So until tomorrow, I'll see you.